Hello everyone, my name is Carl Ivan A. Patayan from ECE 31. This poem titled Pro Patria, inspired by Jose Rizal's ideals. Pro Patria dulcis vita datur, inflamma fidei cor ardet purum. Non timet mortem qui amat verum, spes manet in nocte obscura. Vox libertatis clamat inventis, odite ovenes vocam altam. Surgite contra tenebras feras, lux vestra patriam ducat. Scriptum est in stellis fortis amor, non perit virtus tempore duro. Qui uistitiam amat vivit aevo, semper erit memoratus. Licramei matris candunt interam, sed spes eius in vobis fulget. Curete cursum cum corde puro, frangite vinsula servitutis. Doctrina lumen es viae rectae, scientia portas libertatis. Aperit mente clara et forti, erudite pro salute. Hostes non timent coram mente, siemens es plena ciratate. Pax non venit sine labore, nen florent rosei sine spinis. Flamma patriae semper ardebit, investis factis crescit gloria. Tempus fugit sed manet fama, erum quidan omnia. Ergo eventus surgite fortes, agite pro vertitate viva, singis et vita, don sincera, sint altari libertatis. Thank you. So this Latin poem is inspired by Jose Rizal ideas, calls on the youth to love and severe the country with courage and truth. It emphasizes the sacrifice, education, and justice are the keys to true freedom. And also the poem honors those who gives their lives for the homeland, saying their legacy will never be forgotten. It also reminds the youth that peace and glory come through hard work and perseverance in the end. It encouraged them to rise up as brave, wise leaders who carry the nation's hope into the future. And that's all. Thank you for listening.